In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to show the lofted cut feature. So if we're removing material through a part, we have, let's say, two different profiles, shapes of profiles. So for example, let's draw a sketch on this base of this part here. Let's say that this is a slot. So we'll just place that anywhere on that face just to show you this example of the lofted cut. And then on this face here, we're going to have another profile. Let's say this is a circle. Same diameter as the slot width, let's say. So we have two different sketches, two different profiles of the sketches on two different planes, obviously. And the lofted cut, it's this feature here. It's very similar to the loft, regular loft, but instead of adding material, we are now taking material away. So hence the name lofted cut. You can see it's picked up already one of our sketch profiles. I'm going to go ahead and select the other profile, which is this slot here. Placed a guide rail for us. We've got other options if we want to tweak our settings a little bit, but we're not going to touch those for now. And we'll select OK. You can see the feature has been created in our feature tree here. We change the display to transparent. You can see the removal of the material. And that will do it for this quick lofted cut tutorial. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. We will see you on the next one.